Have you ever wondered how the human brain manages to process the complex world around us? How does it sift through the countless bits of information we encounter every day, allowing us to make sense of our environment? That, my friends, is the magic of perception. Perception, in its simplest form, is the brain's interpretation of sensory information. It's the reason you can differentiate between the smell of a rose and a freshly baked apple pie, or why you can tell the difference between silk and sandpaper just by touching it. Imagine your brain as a supercomputer, processing data at lightning speed. Every second, it's receiving input from your senses: sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. But it's not just about receiving information. The brain has to interpret it, prioritize it, and respond accordingly. This whole process happens so fast that we're not even aware of it. So how does this complex process work? Well, it starts with the sensory organs. These organs detect stimuli from the environment and convert them into signals that the brain can understand. This process is known as transduction. Once these signals reach the brain, they're sorted and interpreted. This is where perception comes into play. The brain uses previous experiences, expectations, and other cues to make sense of these signals. This interpretation is what allows us to understand and interact with the world around us. Perception is not a passive process. It's an active and ongoing one. It's constantly being shaped by our experiences, our expectations, and even our culture. That's why two people can look at the same painting and have completely different interpretations of what they see. Perception also plays a crucial role in our decision-making process. It influences how we interpret information, how we respond to situations, and how we interact with others. Understanding how perception works can give us a better understanding of our own behavior and the behavior of others. But perception is not infallible. Sometimes our brains can be tricked into seeing or hearing things that aren't there. This is what we call illusions. Illusions are fascinating because they reveal just how our brains construct reality. So the next time you're walking down the street, take a moment to appreciate the complex process that's happening within your brain. Every sight, every sound, every smell is being processed and interpreted, allowing you to navigate the world around you. Perception is truly a marvel of the human brain. It's a testament to our ability to adapt, learn, and make sense of the complex world around us. And remember, perception is not just about what we see, it's about how we see it. It's about how we interpret the world around us, how we make sense of it, and how we interact with it. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of perception. If you enjoyed this video and found it enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to continue exploring the wonders of the human brain, make sure to share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep perceiving the world in your unique way.